Using lookup functions. You can use Excel's lookup functions to locate values in rows or columns of tables. We will look at two of the most popular lookup functions, which are VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP function stands for vertical lookup. It searches for data in columns. When it finds a specified value, it then looks across and displays a corresponding value to the right. For vertical lookup to work correctly, you must specify the rows and columns to search, and it will always base its search on the column to the extreme left. Let's demonstrate this. We want to find the salesperson's name and telephone number by simply inserting the employee ID. So let's create a VLOOKUP function for the salesperson's name within this cell. The formula is constructed by entering the equal sign followed by the function name VLOOKUP. Notice the explanation in the pop-up box. After you insert an open bracket, the pop-up box provides a step-by-step guide. First we need to specify the lookup value for the employee ID, and we will assign cell A9. And after we enter a comma, we must specify the table array. Then we must specify the column number to provide the return value. It is important to note that columns are numbered from left to right, so in this case it is column number 2. The last part of the formula is optional, but the word false may be entered if you need to specify exact matches. When no value has been entered, the lookup will return NA. So let's enter ID number 4. We can now repeat this process by creating a VLOOKUP function for the telephone number. But this time we will specify column 3. The HLOOKUP function is similar to the VLOOKUP function, except it searches horizontal from left to right across the top row of a cell range until it finds a value you specified. When it finds a specified value, it then looks down the column to find the specified value. Therefore, you should use HLOOKUP when your comparison values are located in a row across the top of a table of data and you want to look down a specified number of rows. In our example, the formula is constructed in the same manner as the VLOOKUP formula, i.e. we have the HLOOKUP function followed by the open bracket, the lookup value, which in this case is C8, followed by the table of answers, and then the number of the row, and then the word false to specify that it must be an exact match. That concludes this section. Please click onto the exit button and move on to the next section